Sing your favourite nursery rhyme.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon.
This week I'm asking about nursery rhymes. What's that all about? And what's the connection with the new year, as it is if you're watching these videos in succession live as I release them. If you're not watching them succession, why am I talking about New Year and why is there a Christmas tree up in the middle of maybe summer whenever you're watching? Never mind. Find out inside. See you soon. Hi there, my name's Turan Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and when I'm not helping people overcome anxieties, fears and phobias, I'm out on the streets and shooting lovely street hypnosis clips and then breaking them down in video tutorials just for you. Each week I show a little street hypnosis clip and then give some sort of connection to hypnotherapy or connection and advice and tips on how to hypnotize people. So this week, you've seen this girl before. I'll put links in the info cards above from when I hypnotized her previously, and you can see how she went into hypnosis. So she's already in hypnosis by the time you watch this clip this week, and we're giving a suggestion that she will not be able to remember a nursery rhyme. If you want to find out what connections there are, what you can learn from this video, then keep watching after the clip is over. Do not switch off. Make sure you stay for the tutorial section. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and the bell notification button next to that subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself and Feel Good Hypnosis. If you have any questions, have any comments about this video, or if there's anything else you want to see in the future that you didn't see in this video but you'd like to, leave a comment in the comment section below. Sometimes I will have done a video on that topic that you're asking about and I can signpost you to that video. If not, then I'll make a video just for you. How does that sound? But let's watch the video and find out how she gets on with her nursery rhyme, and then stay tuned for the tutorial breakdown.
And then when I count from 1 to 3, and the count to 3, you'll no longer feel like there's a wolf coming. You'll no longer feel compelled to tell people. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. David, how's it going? You feeling good?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Tell me now, what's your favourite nursery rhyme?
Hey diddle diddle.
Hey diddle diddle. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. And you know all the words, don't you? Yeah. Sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Relax. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. And the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes and you're going to want to tell me your favourite nursery rhyme. Hey diddle diddle. But halfway through, a few words in, you're going to forget the words. You cannot say that rhyme. The more you try and think of those words, they're just going to disappear from your mind. You will not be able to tell me what it is, and it'll just become very hysterical. You'll just laugh at the thought of not remembering. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So tell me this, sing your favourite nursery rhyme.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon.
What's funny? What's funny? Tell me your favourite nursery rhyme.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. I actually can't remember it.
It's getting funnier and funnier. Try once again.
I cannot remember this.
Try once again.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon.
Funnier. My goodness. And sleep now.
So did you enjoy that video? It was a very good video. For a moment when she woke up and she started to say the nursery rhyme, I did think she hadn't forgot the nursery rhyme, but the hypnosis, the suggestion kicked in coming up into the second verse. So all's well, it ends well. She was a great subject, and I knew she was already a great subject. As I say, if you haven't watched the link yet, please do. After this video finishes, check out her other videos. So I know she's a good hypnotic suggestion. I know she's going to accept this suggestion, so I wasn't too flustered, I wasn't too worried. But what is the connection? The connection in this video is it's all about amnesia. In this case, I'm making her forget something that she's known for years. It's her favourite nursery rhyme. And how can you forget that? Well, in hypnosis, you override, the otherwise logic and memory of knowing that, and you can forget it. And that's the connection this week between street hypnosis and the therapeutic hypnosis. If I can make a suggestion that someone can't remember their favourite nursery rhyme, well, how hard do you think it's going to be if I can make a suggestion that they're a non-smoker, that they forget they ever had an anxiety, that they forget they were feeling so depressed, and they can change their minds. Now, therapeutic-wise, it's not going to be as simple as just saying, you forgot your anxiety, 1, 2, 3, wide awake. But that's the start of it. That's the layering in process. That's the process of getting them into a state of hypnosis where they will accept those suggestions. And from doing hypnosis, from doing street hypnosis, I gain a great understanding of how well people can accept suggestions and how well they can kick in. And this idea that she said the first part of the nursery rhyme without falter, didn't faze me, as I say, because I knew she was a good hypnotic subject, because I'd tested it with various responses in the past. So I knew that sooner or later she would not be able to say the complete nursery rhyme. And look at her confusion. She goes, I can't remember it. So she was a great subject. And really, when you're doing hypnotherapy, you should be doing what I'm doing in the street hypnosis setting of testing and making sure that those suggestions are accepted at a really good unconscious level. And don't worry if for a while, again, in terms of therapy work, sometimes I'll give a suggestion and maybe it will not disappear for a day. This is why I always ask people to contact me after about 4 or 5 days, because let it sink in. When you're hypnotized in a therapeutic setting, okay, these are comedy skits, and she forgot in the confines of this comedy skit her favorite nursery rhyme. I will bring her out of hypnosis. You didn't see me bring her out, but I will bring her out in later videos. She was brought out at the time. And she will remember all her nursery rhymes, because it's not something she wants to forget. But in a therapeutic setting, people don't come to anxiety to say, take it away for a few minutes. They want to get rid of it completely. They don't want to remember it ever. So I'm getting rid of those feelings that are connected with any memories they might have, so they will not remember. And that is the connection between hypnosis, street hypnosis, and hypnosis in a therapeutic setting. So hope that teaches you something about hypnosis today, and you understand that if things don't kick in right away, give it time, give it patience, because the unconscious mind will process it and it will work if the hypnosis is good, if the induction has been successful. And again, the only way to know if the hypnosis has been successful is to test. And that's what I do all the time in a therapeutic setting. So I hope that makes sense, and I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button to get more hints, tips and advice like this here from Feel Good Hypnosis. And don't forget, click the bell notification button next to that subscribe button. If you have any questions, as I said before, leave it in the comments section below. Any comments? Did you like this video? Did you learn from this video? I really want to know, am I on track with the way I'm teaching in these short YouTube videos? The YouTube videos are not going to replace a complete and dedicated hypnosis training, which I also do. If you want to contact me about hypnosis training, the contact details, email addresses and social media contacts are in the description section below. So please do reach out if you want to ask me about hypnosis training. The YouTube channel is a good hints and tips and guidance about hypnosis, but it's never going to replace a complete hypnosis training. So if you're really serious about hypnosis, please do get training. If not from me, from someone with experience enough to give you good knowledge and understanding of how hypnosis works. In the meantime, like I say, it's the new year as I shoot this live, so happy new year. I'm really delighted to be into 2022. The last 2 years have been rough, and I don't think coronavirus is going to disappear overnight in 2022, but fingers crossed we have a lot better year. So happy new year, and see you next week.